Take a ride in the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, technology package, heated steering wheel, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.